Congratulations to our 10th placer, Faith Luis Dorupa. Congratulations. Wala na. Our 9th placer, congratulations, Juna Meribeth Avila. 9th placer. Our 8th placer, Empress Anika Hawle. Sorry. Our 7th placer, congratulations, Akisha Jewel Gomez. Our 6th placer, congratulations, Aya Isabel Mendez. Our 5th placer, congratulations, Lorraine Faye Segara. 5th placer. 5th. Once again, congratulations to our 5th placer, Lorraine Faye Segara. 5th placer. Tama? 5th placer. 4th placer, congratulations, Madison Faith Maghari. Our 3rd placer, congratulations, Kashnea Aina Salikala. Congratulations to our 2nd placer, Reese Valerie Barbosa. Ayan po, si Reese Valerie Barbosa po ay pamangkin ni Grandmaster Oliver Barbosa. And our champion for the Under-10 Girls Rapid Event, congratulations, Hannah Catherine Ventolero. Congratulations. Rapid event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Mark Lawrence Tutor. Tutor? Okay, Tutor. Tutor. Okay. Congratulations to our 9th placer, Lee Arzel Partosa. Parang sa lahat ata po ng age group category ng Partosa. Ang dami eh. Congratulations to our 8th placer, Xavier Kyle Abalo. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Reggie Gerard Romeo. Congratulations to our 6th placer, John Christoph Bautista. Congratulations to our 5th placer, J. Emmanuel Socaridona. 5th placer. Congratulations to our 4th placer, Mark Jeros Albert. And our 3rd placer, congratulations, Caleb Royce Garcia. Congratulations. Our 2nd placer, Dante Seth Romualdez. Congratulations. And our champion for the Under-10 Boys Rapid Event, congratulations, Seth David Sweetco. Let's now proceed to the under 12 girls rapid event. Okay, let's now proceed to the 9th placer. By the way, I would like, of course, to recognize our 10th placer, pero umuwi na po siya, no? Our 10th placer, congratulations, Princess Rain Magallanes. Our 9th placer, congratulations, Mary Janelle Tan. Okay, si Mary Janelle Tan, tama ba? Woman National Master. Our 8th placer, congratulations, Maika Cadenas. Our 7th placer, congratulations, Kyle Jasmine Clarito. Our 6th placer, congratulations, Jewel Irish Anasio. Congratulations. Our 5th placer, congratulations, El Castro Nuevo. 5th placer. Congratulations to our 4th placer, Keira Alexandria Abiso. And our 3rd placer, congratulations, Jean Marie Arsinue. Congratulations. Our 2nd placer, congratulations, Irene Jean Borse. Congratulations. And our champion for the under 12 girls rapid event, congratulations, Hannah Segara. Let's now proceed to the under 12 boys rapid event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Pinero Joseph. Congratulations. Congratulations to our 9th placer, Jen Pedrosa. Congratulations to our 8th placer, Kurt Bryden Cervantes. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Marquis Angelo Mallorca. Congratulations to our 6th placer, Steve Zaki Bolito. Wala na po, Steve Bolito? Bolito, hindi po ba? Yun! Our 5th placer, congratulations, Noel Bernil Jr. 5th placer. 5th. Our 4th placer, congratulations, Kyle Sander Balao. 4th placer. Okay, once again, congratulations. Our 3rd placer, congratulations, Hugh Adriel Pagayona. Congratulations. Our 2nd placer, congratulations, Carlos Daniel Manipon. And our champion for the under 12 boys rapid event, congratulations, candidate national master, John Kurt Valencia. Let's now proceed to the under 14 girls rapid event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Joyce Abi Saavedra. Congratulations to our 9th placer, Penelope Kate Sanchez.
Joyce, Miraki.
Congratulations to our 8th placer, Anika Shea Di Matangian. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Liana Shermaine Golfo. Congratulations to our 6th placer, Ayona Lou Thomas Mendoza. Congratulations to our 5th placer, Laila Alyssa Serena. Nauna na po. Congratulations to our 4th placer, candidate Women National Master, Ayala Angela Sotarigona. Congratulations. 4th placer. 4th placer. Once again, congratulations. Our 3rd placer, congratulations, Noreen Seyaki at Chelsea. Congratulations to our 2nd placer, Women National Master, Jamaica Mendoza. And our champion for the Under 14 Girls Rapid Event, congratulations, Apple Robin. Let's now proceed to the Under 14 Boys Rapid Event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Nathan Segara. Nathan Segara. Sector Arbiter, pa-assist po please. Kapilayin po natin. Our 9th placer, congratulations, Christian Nixon Chua. Our 8th placer, congratulations, Andre Magpusaw. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Lord Yopiel Yang. Congratulations to our 6th placer, David Leonard Ashwela. Congratulations to our 5th placer, Jeric Paeldonia. Congratulations to our 4th placer, John Cedric Ortalis. And our 3rd placer, congratulations, candidate National Master, Jamiel Piel, 3rd placer. Our 2nd placer, congratulations, National Master, Mark Aviel Carrego. And our champion for the Under 14 Boys Rapid Event, congratulations, John Peter Allen Cabales. Let's now proceed to the Under 16 Girls Rapid Event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, LJ Getubi. Congratulations to our 9th placer, Bea Ashley Silvano. Congratulations to our 8th placer, Jillian Humano. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Sherry Ann Montoyo. Congratulations to our 6th placer, Giselle Pacuban. Congratulations to our 5th placer, Sauyo Kapilitan. Congratulations to our 4th placer, Lara Dalagan. And our 3rd placer, congratulations, Ann Beatriz Bombales. And our 2nd placer, congratulations, Maris Ansiniel Caldosa. And our champion for the Under 16 Girls Rapid Event, congratulations, Jaira Floravi Portillo. Let's now proceed to the Under 16 Boys Rapid Event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, John Carlos Francis Cortez. Congratulations to our 9th placer, Gabriel Ryan Paradero. Congratulations to our 8th placer, Mark Edwin Alito. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Vincent Rayo Vicayuga. Congratulations to our 6th placer, Simon Jess Contreras. Congratulations to our 5th placer, National Master John Cyrus Bose. Congratulations to our 4th placer, Cassie Miguel Tabajo. Congratulations to our 3rd placer, National Master Cyrus James Damiral. Congratulations to our 2nd placer, Mark Gabriel Usman. And our champion for the under-16 boys rapid event, congratulations, Chester Acuyo. Let's now proceed to the under-18 girls rapid event. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Gina Cervantes. Congratulations. Our 9th placer, congratulations, Listy Agon. Congratulations to our 8th placer, Woman National Master Antonella Bert Racasa. Congratulations to our 7th placer, Ling Tubig. Congratulations to our 6th placer, WFM Ruel Canino. Congratulations to our 5th placer, Yala Emilu De Vera. Congratulations to our 4th placer, Kayla Dalagan. Our 3rd placer, congratulations, WNM Bonjour Phil Soyamin. Congratulations to our 2nd placer, WNM Jersey Marticio. Congratulations to our champion for the under-18 girls rapid event. Congratulations, Women National Master Samantha Babol Umayan. Let's now proceed to the under-18 boys rapid event. Boys, congratulations to our 10th placer, Carl Jasper Lloyd Piel. Wala na po, umuwi na po daw. Our 9th placer, congratulations, Regil Kent Rosel Pahamtang. Our 8th placer, congratulations, candidate National Master, Michael John Stephen Inigo. Our 7th placer, congratulations, Phil Martin Casiguran. National Master, Phil Martin Casiguran, 7th placer. Our 6th placer, congratulations, National Master, Carly Chris Clarito Jr. Our 5th placer, congratulations, Lance Nathaniel Orlina. Our 4th placer, congratulations, Carl Augusto Sander Saison. Our 3rd placer, congratulations, Kenneth Chris Donoga.
Kung makita ko nakatikip na, nakalilat.
Our 2nd placer, congratulations, National Master, Kit Adrian Ilar. event. Congratulations, Alan Gabriel Hilario. Next po, ang ating Negros Oriental Open Rapid Chess Tournament winners. Punta na po dito yung ating mga Open category winners. Kapit na po. Ang edad po niya, banggitin natin, baka kasi questionin, pero hindi po halata sa kanyang itsura. Batang-bata pa po, 69 years old. Congratulations to our top senior, Florencio Nunez. Nandito po ba si Mr. Florencio Nunez? Umuwi na? Hala. Okay, sige, wala na. Forfeited. Our top lady, congratulations, Cristel Shane Herrera. Nandito po ba si Miss Cristel? Wala na rin. Ayun. Mahihain po pala. Sige po. Ayan. Kala ko si Vicky. Kawin ni Vicky. Okay. Our top Negros player. Congratulations, Jean-Lloyd Partosa. Top Negros player. Nandiyan po ba si Mr. Partosa? Mr. Partosa? Ayun. Sige sir, blitz. Ayan. Panic time na sir. Ayan. Panic time. Our top junior. Congratulations, RG Villarin. Top junior, RG Villarin. Congratulations to our 10th placer, Andre Miguel Jorio. Congratulations to our 9th placer, International Master, Joel Pimentel. Congratulations, I am Joel Pimentel. Nandiyan po ba si I am Joel? Wala na? Okay, next na po tayo, 8th placer. 8th placer na po tayo. Congratulations to National Master Joey Albert Lorendo. Our 7th placer, congratulations to National Master Jasper Paeldonia. 7th placer. Congratulations to our 6th placer, Diego Abraham Caparino. Our 5th placer, congratulations to National Master Cedric Kalel Abris. Congratulations to our 4th placer, National Master Jose Aquino Jr. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations po. And our 3rd placer, congratulations, National Master Jerish John Velarde. Our 2nd placer, congratulations, Godfrey Villamor. And our champion for the Negros Oriental Open Rapid Chess Tournament, congratulations to Jerick Cajeras.